Hello, I'm Jascha Oosterbaan. I'm the director of the ISIGE Mines Paris PSL Institute. ISIGE is one of the centers of Mines Paris PSL, which is a French renowned organization for research and education. So it has been created in 1992 and is dedicated to education and research in the field of environment and sustainability.
I come from Lebanon, I'm Lebanese, and I have an engineering degree in agriculture and a master's in rural community development.
Okay, my name is Hao. I'm from China. I've spent 4 years in the United States learning philosophy, and then I spent 1 year in the States to learn the environmental studies. And after that, I came to this program.
I studied economics and English, and then I went into a business school and I specialized in finance, and so I worked in finance consulting for 2 years before registering to the master.
Well, I worked for around 60 years in the humanitarian development sectors in Lebanon, working mainly on water and irrigation projects and solid waste management. And as a result of that, I realized how important it is to actually safeguard our environment on the long term. And it's because of this I wanted to learn more, and I think this program was quite fitting because it also gives like an international context to different environmental issues.
Well, initially I was especially attracted by this program by its location, because Europe is at the frontier of the sustainability in terms of policy, practices, and also people's mindset. So I have been in the States for quite a while, and I grew up in China, so I think it's probably a time to move to somewhere else, to move to Europe, and I saw this opportunity of coming to this program, and I took it.
So I wanted to strengthen my technical background. We really learn how to use tools that I'm going to use later on, and also it's a very international program, and so I really liked it.
ISIGE proposes different programs, mainly based on 6 or 7 months seminars with professionals and experts, field trips, case studies, and then 6 months of professional experience in companies or in international organizations.
So I will be working as a water and agriculture project officer for Danone. Mainly I will be supporting them in the implementation of these projects and potentially establishing environmental indicators.
I will be doing my internship at Rexel. It's a French B2B company. It's a distributor of electrical devices to its clients. And my job would be to provide sustainable solutions to its clients, as well as to track the carbon footprints of its products.
So the firm that I'll be joining is Contexte. So it's a consulting firm, very committed to the environment, which I like. The title of my internship is Sustainability Analyst. I will be working on several topics. The one that I really like is water management, so hopefully on this topic.
So the main value of our programs, and more generally our research and short and long programs, is based on sustainability approached from an environmental perspective. So we consider there are planetary boundaries, and we have to live together with all the people inside these boundaries. So it's necessary to have the scientific knowledge to understand these boundaries and the capacity of working together with all the stakeholders to invent new solutions for the future of our planet.
I think the strength of this program is the fact that we not only get to learn the theory behind the different topics that were presented, but we also get to do case studies, like real-life projects, so we get the hands-on experience.
Well, the first thing I would say is I am especially impressed by its diversity. We have a class of students with a very diverse background in terms of both nationality and their background. So we have people worked in agriculture, people worked as engineers, and to me, I have a background in philosophy as well. And this diversity provides me with quite a lot of new experiences that I did not have before. And at the same time, I'm also impressed by the network that this program provides. We have quite a strong and powerful alumni network that's spread in all kinds of sectors in Europe and also globally. And also all the classmates, they could be part of a network, and you know, the connection never breaks.
The courses are very diversified, so it's by modules, it's organized by modules. We have 2 weeks module and we work with a group, and at the end we have a group presentation, so it's very also career oriented.
Basically, I think there's a lot of different career paths that you can take after doing EnvIM, because we get to be exposed to different topics. Mainly, I would like to work around the topic of water and environmental management, maybe on a strategic level.
To me, personally, I have done research jobs, and for my next career path, I would like to do something more practical with my own hands. And I think this program helps me a lot in terms of introducing me to some of the tools that might be very practical, such as doing the life cycle assessment, the GIS tools, and also even designing solar panel systems.
Coming from an economics background, it was very good for me to do this master, because I could access jobs such as environmental engineer. For instance, Contis, the firm that I'll be joining, is mainly composed of an environmental engineer, and so I'm able now to do an internship with them. And this is all because I strengthened my technical background.